Welcome to SPLAT Learning Videos. In this video, we will see how to create different question types in SPLAT. For this video, we will create the questions for a quiz. The same steps are applicable to other activity types. Let's begin. Upon logging in as a teacher, click Content from the top menu. Under My Content, click the plus or expand icon on the left side of the series which contains the topic and the quiz you will use. Once the series is expanded, click the corresponding View button for the appropriate topic. Once the topic is opened, click the plus or expand icon on the left side of the topic which contains the quiz. Open the quiz for which you will create the questions. Modify the quiz settings as necessary. Click Save and create a question. True or false? Enter the question in the question text field. True or false is the default question type. Select the correct answer. Enter the number of points for the question. Click Save to continue later or click Save and create a question to proceed to the next question. Multiple choice. Enter the question in the question text field. Select multiple choice for the question type. Enter the choices in the corresponding fields. Add or delete answer fields as necessary. Select the correct answer. Enter the number of points for the question. Click Save to continue later or click Save and create a question to proceed to the next question. Fill in the blanks. Enter the question in the question text field. Select Fill in the blank for the question type. Select the appropriate answer type. Enter the correct answer in the match field. You have an option to add an alternate spelling. Enter the number of points for the question. Click Save to continue later or click Save and create a question to proceed to the next question. Enumeration. Enter the question in the question text field. Select Enumeration for the question type. Select the number of correct answers. Enter the correct answers in their corresponding fields. You have an option to add an alternate spelling for each correct answer. Set whether learners are required to enter their answers in the same order as you entered them. Enter the number of required answers. Select the grading type. Enter the number of points for the question based on the selected grading type. Click Save to continue later or click Save and create a question to proceed to the next question. Matching type. Enter the question in the question text field. Select Matching type for the question type. Select the number of pairs to be matched. Select whether you want to use image or texts on each side. Enter the first item and its appropriate match on the opposite field. Do the same for the rest of the items. Take note that despite setting up the items with their appropriate matches, they will be automatically randomized on the learner's end. Select the grading type. Enter the number of points for the question based on the selected grading type. Click Save to continue later or click Save and create a question to proceed to the next question. Multi-matching type, or also known as classification. Enter the question in the question text field. Select multi-matching for the question type. Set the number of categories or classifications. Enter the category names in the corresponding fields. SPLAT will automatically assign the first letter of each category to be their icon labels. You may use a maximum of 2 characters for icon labels, in case of similar first letters. The limitation of the number of categories and icon labels are designed to avoid overcrowding of contents in a single page and maintain the readability on the learner's end. Select whether you want to use image or texts for the items. Enter the first item in the corresponding field. Assign the correct category or classification. Do the same for the rest of the items. Select the grading type. Enter the number of points for the question based on the selected grading type. Click Save to continue later, or click Save and create a question to proceed to the next question. Essay type questions. Enter the question in the question text field. Select Essay for the question type. Enter the first criteria for grading. Assign the maximum points for the first criteria. Click Add More to add another criterion. Follow the same steps for the rest of the criteria. Set the minimum and maximum number of characters the learners can enter. Click Save to continue later, or click Save and create a question to proceed to the next question. Congratulations! You have just learned how to create the different question types in SPLAT. Thank you for watching.